This is the easiest way to trade HyperLiquid on your phone. This is the Apex Mini app in Telegram, and it lets you do everything you want to do on HyperLiquid and more. There are chapters down below so you can fast forward to the different sections, but let's get straight into it. The search function is pretty self-explanatory. You can search for all of the different coins that you'd like to trade on HyperLiquid. Now you've got the traders tab. This is top traders that are making profits consistently on HyperLiquid because they do have a copy trading section within their Telegram bot. It lets you go through so you can see here all of the different traders, their P&Ls, all of that kind of stuff. Now, if you do want to copy trade, you click on copy trade, then it opens up Telegram and you can go through all of the different settings here that you'd like to do with buys, sells, all of that. And then all you need to do is hit create copy trade and boom, you're copy trading. Then you have the trade panel. This is where you execute all of the trades. So you've got all of the functionality that you see on HyperLiquid. You've got a referrals tab, which means you can earn a little extra money if you want to shill a referral code. And then you've got the portfolio section. So it has your positions, it's got any limit orders that you've got open, and then it's also got your activity. Now, the good thing is to use this app, all you need to do is have Telegram. You don't need to have access to a computer. You don't need to do anything like that, have wallets. All you need to do is have Telegram and you've got access to HyperLiquid. Now, here's how to set it up. Click on the link below and it'll open up Apex in Telegram. Opens up here and then you're given two addresses. Now you can send USDC on Arbitrum or HyperLiquid, but you can also send Solana to this address right here. And if you send it to this address here, you can then convert it to USDC to trade on HyperLiquid. Simple as that. Now, if you actually head to wallet, what you can actually do is you can import your wallet. So it means that if you are trading on a HyperLiquid wallet, you can also import it here. So you've still got all access to your HyperLiquid trades on the phone, on the go, when you're out and about, which I think is pretty cool functionality. Now, here's how to open it. You can hit start and then hit open mini app and it will open the mini app. Now you can also directly access it from your chats. So in the chats here, you can see open, click on open. There you go, mini app's open. Now let's make a buy right here just to show you how easy it is. Let's look for a coin that we can buy. Let's buy some hype. What we will do is we will go 10x leverage, but what we'll do is we'll do isolated margin. Then we'll put in a $1,000 order, place the order. Order successfully placed, head to portfolio, and then we can see our position right here is there. Now we can also put in a take profit and a stop loss. So we'll put the take profit at 38.36, and we'll put a stop loss at 38.31. Confirm. And then over on limit order, we can see we've got our limit orders there. Oh, position hit. And the long has closed, we lost $1.35. So that's how easy it is to trade HyperLiquid on your phone without anything else. Now, if you found value in this video, go down there, drop some love. I'd very much appreciate it. I had a pleasure making this video. Hopefully you enjoyed watching it, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.